off right, boys. Yeah. Oh my God.
Hi, Mom. Sorry, not sorry.
Went on camera when I die?
Of course. Alright guys, so in our last video we did the carb and air intake upgrade. Today we're going to be upgrading this exhaust with this one here, and then I've got the little extension right by my foot. So I've not done this before. I don't know if I'm going to have to weld or cut. From what I read from the exhaust that I bought, this should just be a clamp. I should be able just to clamp that in there once I remove that little piece right there. So I'm going to go ahead, take this cover off with the little bolt right there, and then go ahead and remove this bolt, and then I'm going to see what I need to do from there. Alright guys, so I got the first clamp off. To get this bolt off, unless you want to sit here all day using a wrench, your best bet's going to be to get a little extension, and then it's just a 10mm bolt. But if you don't have this extension, you're really not going to be able to move much in there. You're going to be here all day. So if you have the extension, use it. If not, get one. You're going to need it if you're going to be working on these bikes. So all we got to do is take that bolt off now. We should be able to take the exhaust off. Alright guys, another update for you. Got this bolt off. Behind here is another bolt that you had to get off. You can see it right here. Goes right in a spot back there. I don't know how good you can see that on camera. Basically, to give yourself easier access to it, what you want to do is unbolt this little piece right here, and then you can pull this bottom plastic out a little bit, and then I just used a standard 10mm wrench to get in there and take that off. So now I can screw this thing around and take this off. Alright, so there we go. If you can't tell, I'm doing this right after I did the carburetor with all the parts and everything that I still have around here. We're just taking it step by step. So now I'm going to see how well this exhaust lines up and see what I have to do to get it hooked up on here. Alright guys, so now that the exhaust is off, we are going to go ahead and set up the new exhaust here. So basically what they do is, this is a little just adapter. You really don't even need that. That can come right out. We'll do that right now. Okay, now all you gotta do is take this, shove it in here, line it up first. There we go. Push that on, and then now we have two springs that we're going to have to use to connect this on there so that it doesn't fall off. I'll show you a better angle of that. So basically I'm just going to get a monkey wrench and just pull it on and put it on there. Alright guys, so I did end up getting the exhaust on here. Bolted it up here. This is a simple eBay exhaust. You see I got a clamp here. This doesn't really fit on here that well. I'm going to use it when I start it up, but I'm going to have to get a better clamp on there. So yeah, just gotta kind of finagle it on there and then just rebolt. This comes with a clamp. Gotta rebolt that clamp. We're not going to reuse this one. As you can see, I took off the fairings because it was just easier to do so. I wasn't having much luck with them on there. So now it's on, guys. So that is how to do the exhaust on this bike. Hopefully it helped you guys. If you have any questions or anything, I know I didn't get to show all of it. Just let me know in the comments down below, and I'd be more than happy to answer the questions for you. So thanks for watching, guys. You have a great day as always. Peace.